Create a basic invoice. That's easy. I'm gonna show you how you can create a basic invoice if you don't use any software. There is an Excel spreadsheet attached, so you can just use that one without problem. Put your all detail that you need to put, your company name and the name of the company that you are working for, and just remember you need to put the PO always. PO number, purchase order number always. That's important. Description, what you do, how many days you work, how much is for a job, for a day. If you have got any tax or anything you want to add, you can add without problem. At the end, as I said before, make sure that you put after how many days they need to pay you, and tell them, look, if you don't pay me, I'm gonna charge you 2% for a month or for a week. It's up to you. I did an example before for a week, but you can do for a month. It's up to you, literally. It's your money, so you can decide, and you can do whatever you want. I'm gonna show you a video how the spreadsheet I've built for you works, so you can make sure that you are happy with that. So guys, I want to show you this time how the invoice that I've created for you works. So it's pretty easy. In here you can put the name of your business, your slogan if you have got anything, your address, your website, your email. If you have got fax, you can put fax, but it's up to you. In here you can put the invoice number, the date of the invoice, and the PO number. The purchase order number. So this is a number that will the company that you work for will give you to make sure that your payment is accepted from them. The name of the company that needs to be addressed invoice with all the detail, any other description. So let's say you work as an AV technician for a company for, I don't know, 10 days, and you charge them $250 a day. That's the amount. In here I've left the discount just in case sometimes, you know, you wanna, I don't know, during Christmas time or whatever it is, you say, you know what, this client give me like, I don't know, 4 months of job, and be pretty busy with this company. I want to give them a discount of £100, and believe me, a lot of people will appreciate this kind of stuff, and you will see that they will call you more, because at least they see from your side that you have the effort to give them a bit of discount. But you can give also sometimes also £50 during the Christmas time is worth it, and say just buy something for the people that work in the office, or anything kind would be always upset from your client. And in here, if you use any check or any other stuff, just put down the total day that the invoice needs to be paid, and just tell them that if they go overdue, you will charge them 2% for months. In this case I put for months, but you can charge for week if you want to. And at the end, just thank for your business. I've left a couple of info on the side in here, so you have if you need any help, you can use it. Just make sure to every time to save these as a PDF file, so you can send these as a PDF to the company, and save a copy for yourself. So thank you. Create an Excel spreadsheet with all your income and expense. This is quite easy. I have created an extra spreadsheet for you where it's divided for category, so you know where you need to put your expense. Your income is pretty easy, just one income. So this one will help you when you need to do your tax return at the end of the year. This is if you want to do a basic accounting, if you don't want to have an accounting, if you don't want to have any software. With this one, you just put in every month how much you spend, and this, believe me, will take you just like 25 minutes, half an hour of your day just to fill this every month. And this will make sure that at the end of the year, when you need to pay your tax and you need to send your tax return, it will take you an hour and not 2 days or 3 days to do it. So guys, I want to thank you so much for doing this training. Hope that you enjoy, and if you have got any question or if you want any other suggestion, just drop me an email, find me on social media, and I'm gonna be more than happy to help you with that.